Hello everybody, welcome to Sinton Group. How to connect the wire to the pipeline heater? Let us have an explanation for you. This is Sinton pipeline heater 20 kilowatts and this is the control cabinet. First, let us open the control cabinet. This is the circuit breaker and it is 3-phase 4-wire system. This is green-yellow wire is the OC line. We should connect the OC line with another OC wire. 3 wires connect to the pipeline heater. This is 3 wires of the heating element and connect to the control cabinet. Here, 3 wires connected together. There are 2 temperature sensors in Sinton pipeline heater. One is outlet here. This is outlet here. The other is in heating body, and here it is K-type thermocouple 2. And please pay attention to that. The red is positive wire and the blue is negative wire. Don't confuse them. Here it is. The red is positive wire and the blue is negative wire. Here, 2 wires connect to the outlet thermocouple wire, and it is positive, it is negative. And here 2 wires connect to the heating body thermocouple. It is positive and it is negative.